Welcome back to the channel, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the stunning coastal town of Cascais, Portugal. Known for its breathtaking beaches, vibrant culture, and rich history, Cascais is a must-visit destination. Join me as we explore the 7 best things to do in this picturesque paradise, from hidden gems to iconic landmarks. Whether you're planning your next getaway or just dreaming of sun-soaked adventures, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you. Number 8. Praia da Conceição. The primary draw for most visitors to Cascais is spending a day at the beach. Praia da Conceição, situated near the train station, is one of the top beaches on the Lisbon coast for sunbathing and dipping your toes in the water. Surrounded by mansions, this beach marks the beginning of a scenic oceanfront promenade that stretches past several other beaches all the way to Estoril. Number 7. Boca do Inferno. One of Cascais' top attractions lies along the promenade. Boca do Inferno, a dramatic sea arch and cliff formation where you can observe the raw power of nature. On days with large waves, you can watch as water surges through the arch from a viewing platform directly in front, which is open to the public at no cost. Number 6. Cabo da Roca. Cabo da Roca, located nearby, is one of the most popular attractions around Cascais. This cape, with its iconic lighthouse, is notable not only for its striking scenery, but also for being the westernmost point of mainland Portugal, continental Europe, and the entire Eurasian landmass. Visiting Cabo da Roca can be conveniently combined with other activities in Cascais and Sintra by booking a day tour from Lisbon. The following packages offer excellent combinations of sites. Number 5. Azenhas do Mar. If you rent a car, it's worth considering a small road trip to explore the coastal highlights in the area. Starting in Cascais, be sure to include Praia Pequena and Azenhas do Mar on your itinerary, in addition to the previously mentioned spots. Azenhas do Mar is a charming coastal village, perched on a cliff above a tiny beach that features a natural swimming pool, visible only at low tide. The village's unique location offers stunning photo opportunities, especially at sunset. The recently reconstructed viewing platform, which also has ample parking, provides the perfect vantage point. If you prefer not to rent a car, you can visit Azenhas do Mar as part of a tour that includes several attractions in Sintra and Cascais. Number 4. Take a day trip to Sintra. Sintra is a paradise for culture enthusiasts. This expansive natural park is home to castles, fairy tale palaces, and exotic gardens, making it a must-see UNESCO site and one of the top destinations in Portugal. It's a popular day trip from Lisbon and Cascais, offering visitors a chance to explore its lush green hills and forests, nurtured by a unique microclimate. Be sure to bring a sweater, as the weather can be a bit cooler. Number 3. Take a day trip to Lisbon. Lisbon is undoubtedly one of the best cities for a European city break, often compared to San Francisco for its hilly terrain, vintage trams, and towering bridges. However, Lisbon's true allure lies in its details. The vibrant tilework, the elegant architecture, and the delicate layers of a perfect custard tart pastry. The lively spirit of the locals, laughing in the streets and chatting across balconies while hanging up laundry, adds to the city's charm, making it easy to fall in love with both Lisbon and its people. You can easily make a day trip or two from Cascais by taking a 45-minute train ride, with a return ticket costing $4.50 each. Number 2. Guincho Beach. Among all the beaches in Cascais, this natural beach is often considered one of the most stunning in the region. Its appeal lies in the protected dune system and its designation as a natural park, which prevents any construction in the area. The beach's expansive setting is truly scenic, nestled between the Sintra Mountains and the cliffs of Cabo da Roca. Number 1. Condes de Castro Guimarães Museum. Cascais' most iconic landmark looks like a fairy tale castle. Originally the residence of a count, it has since been transformed into a museum that showcases a collection of decorative arts, swords, paintings, sculptures, and manuscripts. Adjacent to it is a 16th century chapel and the pristine waters of the charming Santa Marta Beach. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.